Minasan, konnichiwa. Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn the next 5 hiragana group. Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. The first letter is ka. Pronounce ka. Example word kasa. Kasa means umbrella. Umbrella. Example sentence Kasa o mochimasu. Kasa o mochimasu. Meaning I carry an umbrella. Kasa o mochimasu. The next letter is ki. Ki. This is a special one. In Japanese, some letters can also be a full word. For example, ki itself means tree. Ki ga oki desu. Ki ga oki desu. Meaning the tree is big. Ki ga oki desu. Next letter ku. Ku. Example word kuruma. Kuruma means car. Car. Example sentence Sore wa kuruma desu. Sore wa kuruma desu. Meaning that is a car. That is a car. Next letter ke. Ke. Example word keisatsu. Keisatsu means police. Police. Example sentence keisatsu ga kimashita. Keisatsu ga kimashita. The police came. Keisatsu ga kimashita. Next letter ko. Ko. Example word kodomo. Kodomo means child. Child. Example sentence kodomo wa ringo o tabimasu. Kodomo wa ringo o tabimasu. Meaning the child eats an apple. Kodomo wa ringo o tabimasu. So these are the 5 hiragana letters ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we will learn the next 5 hiragana letters sa, shi, su, se, so. Sayonara.